Have you ever wondered about the importance of memorial gardens in our lives? These tranquil spaces play a crucial role in honoring our loved ones. They serve as peaceful sanctuaries for reflection and remembrance, where we can feel a profound connection to nature while commemorating those we've lost. The beauty of these gardens lies in their ability to embody our feelings and memories, making them a living testament to those we hold dear. Indeed, the plants we choose for these gardens carry a special meaning and can help us express our emotions. When creating a memorial garden, the choice of plants is crucial. But which plants are most suitable? Well, the answer isn't one size fits all. It depends on the emotions and memories you wish to enshrine in the garden. Roses, for instance, are a classic choice. They symbolize love and remembrance, making them a fitting tribute to a cherished relationship. Lilies, on the other hand, signify restored innocence after death, offering solace in the face of loss. Then, there are the delicate forget-me-nots, a symbol of true love memories. Their small, bright flowers serve as a poignant reminder of the enduring nature of love. Each of these plants carries its own symbolism and can contribute to the emotional depth of a memorial garden. You might choose one or a combination, depending on the person being remembered and the sentiments you associate with them. Remember, the plants you choose should resonate with your feelings and memories of the person being remembered. We hope this brief overview has given you some insights into creating a meaningful memorial garden. We're eager to hear your personal experiences or ideas about memorial gardens. Your input is invaluable, and it could provide inspiration for someone else's gardening journey. Your shared wisdom could be the seed that sprouts into a beautiful garden in someone else's life. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and ideas. Until next time, happy gardening. Be